Hi, welcome to the Game Changers. So yesterday we spoke about bullish scenario where we thought that the market was a little bit overextended, but we just kept a bullish scenario just in case, and we talked about one bearish scenario also. Okay? So chalo, let's have a look at what has happened today and what we can expect for Monday. Yesterday we spoke about a scenario where we would want the market to break the highs of the day convincingly, make a 3-minute pivot, and then head up higher, which is what has happened. But we also spoke that we have to be a little bit defensive because the market has rallied quite a bit over the last 3-4 days. So थोड़ा सा defensive and less risk के साथ करना चाहिए. So this was a valid setup, right? This was a valid setup which worked very well. But should one मतलब क्या आपको aggressive रहना चाहिए यहाँ पे? नहीं. You have to be a little bit defensive and take less risk because the probability of this happening after such a big rally is lesser. What normally happens is ये breakout होने के बाद ये fail हो जाता है normally, right? This has worked. It was an easy day, but what one should do is not be overly enthusiastic because a good week has come. They have to mellow down a little. What can happen on Monday? What can we expect? So on Monday, now we've come to a certain hurdle in the market here, right? And the price has rallied quite a bit. So if now let's just mark the hurdle here, and let's mark the day's high as well. So if we get the failure high ka setup somewhere here, where a breakout of the high is done and a breakdown is done, that would be a valid setup to take. It can even be a very high probability setup to take because we are at some kind of resistance in the market and the market has rallied quite nicely for quite some time. Now, अगर ऐसे नहीं हो, so this is a bearish kind of scenario. What about if the market just runs up like this? Yes, no problem. We'll wait for a 3-minute to form and then only we'll be looking to take a trade above this resistance. Yes. Both scenarios are possible and both scenarios have been mapped out. Right? So over the weekend, I am coming out with a video which is talking about how to find multi-bagger stocks. Right? It requires a lot of hard work. How to find, and because ऐसा कोई ऐसे आपको platter पे नहीं देने वाला, right? So you have to do your own hard work. But have a look at that video. It will come out over the weekend and it could be life-changing. Okay? The only request I have is to share that video with as many people as possible. And please subscribe to the channel if you like the content. Okay? Chalo, bye. See you on Saturday and have a look at that video. You will really like it. Chalo. Bye.